All right, we're back, and now we're going to move into electromagnets, where electricity creates a magnet as opposed to a fixed magnet like you'd keep for putting stuff on your fridge. This needs power. So I've got a small electromagnet here, and I'm powering it up. And I'm going to turn on the juice. One battery, and I'm going to try and pick up some thumbtacks here. So there might be 10 of them on there. Turning it off, going up to 2 batteries. A few more. 3 batteries. More and more. Here we are at 6 volts. This magnet is rated for 12. So we'll go to 9. Whole bunch. And then ultimately 12. You can see by this, picks up a whole bunch of tacks. Some of them are clinging. And that's it for this guy. Going to go into another kind of electromagnet where it's functional. This bell unit here uses an electromagnet, but it's removable. So I'm going to do the same trick with the picking up the tacks. I'm going to turn on the power, run it on 3 volts, 2 batteries, picks up tacks. 6 volts, more tacks. 12 volts, lots of tacks. Okay, now we're going to put this into place back in the bell. Okay, now, okay, it's trying. You can see not enough. Okay, so 3 volts, nothing. 6, 9, a little faster. 12, bit irregular, so too much. So 9 seems to work. All right. So that compass is pointing north. Basically there, the arrow